Welcome to All-Star Auto Body Shop. Insurance claims. Dealing with insurance claims can be a tricky and frustrating process. At All-Star Auto Body Shop, we are here to help make the experience as smooth and seamless as possible for you. Our team of experts has years of experience in dealing with insurance companies and can guide you through the entire process. First things first, contact your insurance company as soon as possible after the accident. Inform them that All-Star Auto Body Shop will be handling the repairs for your vehicle. They may ask you to bring your car for an estimate, but we can provide free online estimates if needed. Our work process. Our team will work directly with your insurance company to get all necessary approvals. We use the latest technology and techniques to repair your vehicle to its pre-accident condition. Our focus is on quality and customer satisfaction, so you can rest easy knowing that your vehicle is in good hands. Towing services. If your vehicle is not drivable, we offer towing services to bring it to our shop. We work with reputable towing companies to ensure safe transportation of your vehicle. Our team can also arrange for a rental car to be waiting for you at our shop. Rentals. We understand the inconvenience of being without a vehicle, so we offer rental services to make your life easier during the repair process. Our rentals are available on a daily or weekly basis, depending on your specific needs. We have car rental to provide you with reliable and well-maintained vehicles. Contact us for any questions or concerns regarding insurance claims, towing services, or rentals. Please do not hesitate to contact us. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff is always here to assist you and make sure you have a pleasant experience at All-Star Auto Body Shop. Thank you for choosing All-Star Auto Body Shop. Contact us today to schedule an appointment or get a free online estimate.